Hello beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna keep today's intro kind of short because I just wanted to discuss this topic with you guys. So I'm in this balloon group on Facebook and I saw a post a couple of days ago where somebody had posted some of their work and it was their first paid gig, and people in the comment section were very divided on whether she should have charged for the work that she put up. So I just wanted to go over how I started out and what I did before I started actually charging people for my work. So I'm gonna put the two photos that this post was about up on screen. I've put a little cloud over the names on the welcome sign, but this is the first one and then this is the second one that she had a question about. She basically said that this was her first paid gig and that she wanted some constructive criticism. So now I'm just gonna go over the stuff that I did before I started charging. So this right here is my first balloon garland ever. I made it with Amazon balloons, I think, and honestly I was so proud of myself, but looking back I'm just like, ooh, interesting. It looks interesting, you know, that's all I can say about that. And then this is the second balloon garland I ever made. This was for a bridal shower, as you can see, for a family member. I used Amazon balloons for this one as well, which the bridal party had provided for me. So it wasn't a paid gig, but I did not have to put my own money up for materials. And this setup was probably like a month later that I did at home just for practice. As you can see, the style and everything is coming together a little bit, you know, it's looking better every time, but I still definitely wasn't comfortable with charging for my work at this point. I was still just practicing, having fun with it, and, you know, getting my technique right. This setup was actually for my nephew's birthday, and I don't really recall if I charged for material here. I might have, because there was a lot going on. I basically did the whole table, the party, everything. I made the cake as well, so might have charged for material, but I'm not sure. And this setup was for my best friend's birthday, and I believe he had bought the balloons himself. I just gave him a list of what he should buy, and then I did the work. And then I practiced some more for my own birthday. I think this was my 27th birthday. At this point we are in March of 2022, and then I did this setup for my other best friend's gender reveal, and I don't believe that I charged her anything for this, but I'm not 100% sure. And after that I had another baby shower that I did for the same family member that had the bridal shower in the beginning. That is this garland right here. And honestly I can't tell you, I probably charged for material. That's what my feeling is saying, but I don't think I did this for free. I think I definitely charged for material, but I still wasn't charging for my work at this point. And then this is my sister's gender reveal, and at this point we are in July of 2022, and I believe I did charge for material in this case, at least, because again I did the whole party. So yeah, I ended up charging for the expenses that I had. Fast forward to August of 2022, and then this is the baby shower of my best friend, and I think I charged for material as well in this case. But to be honest, this is the booking or the setup where I felt like, okay, now I can start charging for my work. You know, now I feel like I need to be compensated for the time that I'm putting in, for the creativeness that I'm putting in, the expertise that I'm putting in. But looking back, the first video was in July of 2021, and then that last video of the baby shower was in August of 2022. So I basically tried to get my craft together for about a year before I really started charging. Now some people may think like that was way too much time, but with the way my brain is set up, I had to make sure that what I was going to be delivering would be up to par for what I wanted my business to represent, basically. So going back to why I made this video, the two posts that the lady had put on Facebook, in my personal opinion, I would not have charged for that type of work. But again, it's everybody's own decision. If somebody is willing to pay, then by all means. But me personally, I would definitely try to practice a little bit more before I would start charging. And another thing that I just wanted to clarify is that when I say charging, I mean like actually like charging to make a profit, because as you can see, like probably from my second setup, I was already charging for material, you know. So that was the moment where I'm like, okay, I have this gift, I am creative, and the goal right now might not be to make money, but I do want to practice. So without breaking my own bank and making it a cheaper service for the person that is hosting the party, let's just say, okay, pay for the material and then I'll do the work, you know, so that way everybody wins. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video. I just thought, reading through the comments, it was very divided. People were definitely giving her the constructive criticism that she asked for, but there were a lot of people that were like, give the client their money back, or there's no way that you should charge for this. So I just thought it would be an interesting video to go over how I started out, what I did to practice, how much work I did for free, because I know a lot of you guys are starting your business as well. So hopefully this video can help you out in trying to figure out what is the best way to get as much work done without breaking the bank, but getting enough practice so you can actually start charging for profit. So if you have any questions or want to share your experience, definitely feel free to do so in the comments section. You can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.